Hi, let's see how you can create a shipment. You'll need to get a quote first. For that, you can either click on Quote option on the home page or find the Get a Quote option in the Shipping tab. Here, you can either fill details for a new consignee or choose among the existing ones. You can add new consignees in My Consignees option on the My Account page. Enter your package details like weight and dimensions. Make sure that you measure them correctly using a measuring tape and a shipping scale. You can add multiple packages. You also have an option to choose among flat rate products. Please remember to mention the exact total value of the contents in the package you are shipping. Next, select your preferred delivery location and coupon code, if any. Click on Get a Quote to receive multiple quotes with cost breakup. Choose the preferred quote. Fill in the package description in detail. Then choose among the pickup and drop-off option. You can change the delivery option and location here if you wish to. Next, choose your preferred payment option. Click on Complete Shipment and process the payment. Now print that label and paste it on the package. If it is an international shipment, print the invoice generated to and put it below the label. The receipt here is for your own future reference. Congratulations! Your shipment is ready.